This archipelagic state, officially known as the Republic of Maldives, majestically owns the Indian Ocean. This series of islands is undoubtedly a gift to mankind. Celebration of life happens at Maldives, be it a family vacation or honeymoon. The best memories, butterflies in stomach moment, silver-lined moon glister, gold-lined sunshine and a perfect getaway. To each of these, there is a perfect destination in Maldives. And if you are looking for resorts for newlyweds, you have landed in the right place. Scroll down to pick your honeymoon resort in Maldives. Maldives honeymoon resorts are amped with love and the atmosphere is a perfect romantic set out. The amenities are extensive and the environment shuffled with white sand and blue-green waters makes the love as in air concept a realistic one. Right from indulging in a perfect spa treatment with your loved one to playing through blue waters, Maldives stands unbeatable in honeymoon bucket list. Keeping the bustling noises of traffic and the never-ending social media feed in hold, this place dives you into the romantic reality. Visiting Maldives between November and April is ideal as the climate joins hands in the celebration of your love. 1. Harawali Island Resort. This is the only resort on the island of Harawali and is spread over an area of 16 acres. This place takes fun seriously and imbibes fun in relaxation. This luxury all-inclusive honeymoon resort is perfectly designed for newlywed couples. The honeymoon and the amenities at Harawali Island Resort ideally complement each other. This resort happens to be one of the best Maldives resorts under private pool. Located in Lavayani Atoll, this resort, from its underwater restaurant to exotic spas, has everything a couple would want to enjoy. 2. Amari Havada Maldives. Located in Gafu Dalu Atoll, Amari Havada feels like an isolated piece of heaven untouched by human. With the vibe of honeymoon setting in, this luxury all-inclusive honeymoon resort serves to be your dream honeymoon paradise where being with one another serves the very purpose. Be it the activities to indulge into the luxurious varieties in room features, Amari Havada stands uniquely designed for a perfect honeymoon. 3. Constance Mufushi Island. The Constance Mufushi is one of the top-rated resorts in Maldives. The location and the amenities are truly exotic. The outdoor swimming pool has its own significance. Anyone into it would feel being one with the nature. Canoeing, scuba diving, windsurfing and the game room all would give the real gaming experience. And to somebody living in virtual world, this place should feel like being high frequency of nature filled. 4. Emerald Maldives Resort and Spa. This 5-star luxury all-inclusive honeymoon resort is spread over an area of 1.5 kilometers in a 20-hectare island. This island should definitely be in your honeymoon itinerary if you are a nature lover. Emerald Maldives Resort and Spa blends nature in luxury. This would be of no experiment and a perfect celebration resort to your honeymoon. Various room features enables everybody to tailor-make rooms according to their needs. This might be the place if you are looking for some luxury and nature blended with coffee-colored sand and blue waters. 5. Paradise Island Resort and Spa. This undoubtedly is the most booked resorts in Maldives due to its affordability and all-inclusiveness. And the other way round, it could be all-inclusive while being affordable. The hassles of everyday life is let free with the Indian Ocean giving its heart for you to reside. Being with your partner at Paradise Island Resort and Spa will give you a happy honeymoon story to post. The nature incorporated in modern lifestyle just brings you the right amount of peace and happiness. 6. Mercure Maldives Kudu, located in Gafu Alafu Atoll. This place is located very near to the Male International Airport. There are about 68 independent villas with an ample number of variety in room features where you can find one according to your need and budget. The restaurant serves various cuisines available across Asia. The amenities are multiple and the lagoon-side swimming pool is worth mentioning, which is a romantic retreat all you will need in your honeymoon. 7. Furuveri Maldives. This is a perfect getaway resort. Customized customer service in Furuveri is unmatched and outgrows every other resort. There are variety of water activities, and to each of these, a trained professional would accompany you, ensuring all safety parameters. The Jaffe restaurant stands unique and the snacks bars are notable. The spa at this resort renders exciting services that would refresh you not just mentally but also physically. 8. Pullman Maldives all-inclusive resort sprawled over an area of 19 hectares. This exotic all-inclusive luxury honeymoon resort is a perfect tailor-made resort for couples. Being one with nature, this resort is the one you will need to reach out to connect with nature and disconnect with human hassles. With amenities being numerous, the price is perfectly justified. The sea and the sun would give the right amount of beach magic. As of a recent update released by the Maldives Ministry of Tourism on the 26th of April 2021, all travelers from India are allowed to travel Maldives Islands which are not inhabited by their local citizens. Also, it is mandatory to carry a negative RT-PCR test result taken with 96 hours of departure. The Maldives is best placed to receive an influx of travelers as its border has been open to international tourists since July 2020 and its setup allows for natural social distancing. The local travel industry has also been quick to implement protocols including rapid testing upon arrival and before departure as well as when transferring resorts. The Maldives is ready for the post-vaccination travel boom and it also plans to roll out a vaccine tourism initiative.